You said no, so why does it feel wrong? That's not guilt. You said no, and it should feel like relief, like you finally protected your time. But it doesn't land that way. A few minutes later, it comes back like you crossed a line somewhere. So you replay what you said and how it landed and whether you should have handled it differently. And now the decision you already made doesn't feel settled anymore. Most people think this is guilt, but it's not. In this video, we're going to show what that feeling actually is and why it pulls you back into second guessing, so you can understand what's happening. There's one part of this most people don't realize. This isn't just making you overthink. It's training you to stop trusting your own decisions. What you think this feeling means is exactly where this starts to go wrong. You felt something, and almost instantly you assumed it meant something. That's where this starts to go wrong. Because this feeling doesn't usually show up when you've done something wrong. It shows up when you stop doing what someone expects from you. You didn't lie, you didn't trample your values, and you didn't cross a line. You just said no. But your brain isn't reacting to what you did. It's reacting to what changed. You removed access, agreement, and availability, and that creates discomfort. But your brain doesn't label it as change. It labels it as guilt, and once it does, everything shifts. And once your brain calls it guilt, it doesn't sit with it. It tries to fix it. And here's the part that makes this hard to catch. By the time you notice what you're doing, you're already inside the loop. The feeling hits first, not a thought, not a clear realization, just a feeling. And your brain doesn't like unexplained feelings, so it builds a reason. That sounded harsh. They didn't like that. That's not who I am. Not because it's true, but because your brain needs the feeling to make sense. And now the decision isn't closed anymore. It's open again. You replay the moment, you rework what you said, and you start adjusting it in your head. Maybe I should explain more. Maybe I went too far. Maybe I should go back. And the more you do this, the easier it gets to doubt yourself the next time. This isn't reflection. This is your brain trying to relieve the feeling by undoing the decision. So the problem isn't saying no. It's what your brain does after. This didn't start here. At some point, you learn that when something feels off, it must be your fault. So now, anytime there's tension, distance, or even a small shift in how someone responds to you, your brain moves quickly to restore stability. And the fastest way it knows how to do that is to take responsibility, smooth it over, and go back and fix it, even when nothing actually went wrong. That's the same moment where the loop started. So when that feeling shows up after you say no, the instinct is to trust it, to go back, to adjust, and to reopen the decision. But maybe the feeling isn't telling you to go back. Maybe it's just the discomfort of realizing the decision was real, and there's no need to repair something that was never actually broken.